video, I will show you learn how to play the vibrant salsa rhythm. Don't miss this exciting opportunity. From the very start to the final moments, follow me. In all my social media videos posted on YouTube, Facebook, and other social media platforms. I hope you find it useful. We will start with the key of a major. As we see on the second fret of the guitar, place your first finger on the fourth string, your second finger on the third string, and your third finger on the second string to form the chord. This fingering will help you play the notes correctly.